How the Gmail Plus trick works. The Gmail Plus trick is a clever way to create unlimited variations of your email address without creating new accounts. Here's how it works. If your Gmail address is yourname@gmail.com, you can add anything after a plus symbol, and emails will still go to your inbox. Google ignores everything after the plus, but you can still see it in the to field, which makes it super useful for filtering and tracking. Why use the plus trick? 1. Easy filtering and organization. Example, use plus shopping for all online purchases and create filters. 2. Catch spam. Sign up for a site with your name plus site name@gmail.com. If it leaks, you will know who did it. 3. Manage subscription. Use plus newsletter, plus events, etc. to sort emails easily. 4. Sign up for multiple accounts. Some platforms treat your name plus one@gmail.com as a new account.